Hello everybody, got a package in the mail today, so we're gonna open it up. Package from Supreme, little surprise, who knows what it'll be. Ooh, nobody knows. So yeah, I'm gonna open it up. Maya, are you gonna come and see what I got? I need scissors, maybe? That would be helpful. Scissors. Let's get it, Maya, come see what I got. We open up the box. Ooh, what do we have in here, Maya? Ooh, we got paper. I ordered paper in the mail. Supreme paper, bro. Just kidding. Okay, so it looks like they sent us one box logo. Not bad, I guess. Okay. Ooh, and the hat I ordered. Come on, why only one sticker? That's so lame. And the handbag. Why did they send me one sticker? What lame-os? I got two things. Oh well. Screw them. Yeah, see, Maya? I got a hat and a bag. Okay. Let's open the bag first. So, nicely packaged. Whoops, where's the camera? Nicely packaged bag. Very nicely packaged. Very secure. Side bag. SS22 B9. Silver. One size. Cordura, but now they're using eco fabric apparently. Scotch tape. Quality. Wait, why is there scotch tape on here, bro? Did they run out of normal tape at the factory? Normal glue? It's a fake. Just kidding. So we got the Cordura tag on here. Durable, versatile, reliable. So Cordura is actually like a fabric like that Supreme makes most of their product out of. It's like apparently it's a very good quality, very durable, lightweight, resistant to tears and scuffs. And yeah, it's supposed to just like last and like be very like tear resistant. So yeah, they make I've gotten like a bag that has it, like all their stuff has it, even like Nike makes it more on like their outdoor products, but lots of companies use it. Okay, so we got this beautiful blue box logo bag. Ooh, I love this box logo. Pretty sure it's reflective too, which is very nice. And it comes with oh, it's actually a Supreme. Okay, good. It's a Supreme Nalgene bottle in just a plain smoke colorway, but it's like a perfect tiny size. This is gonna be perfect for walks with my doggy Maya. And this nice dark like navy-ish blue, racer blue, or like university blue, more university blue I would guess, imagine. Strap. Nothing underneath there. I thought there'd be a logo, but oh, there's the little thingamajiggy for tightening it right there. And then you also got another tightening strap, I think. I don't know what this is for. This other little strap thingy, and it says Supreme on it. I don't really know what this strap is. This just a decoration strap? I don't know what this is, or like something you can attach. Or you attach the water bottle onto it. Oh, that's the water bottle strap, and it has like a little Supreme print on it. And then you also get a Supreme logo right there. A little like patched on, not patched on, like a little stitched on tag. Ooh, one little loose stitch on the corner there, but that's all good. It looks pretty good quality factory make. No errors, nothing. Everything looks pretty nice on this thing. Got a little like leak hole in the bottom in case it spills or leaks. You don't want it to like goop up in there and stain. Open this bad boy up. These nice little YKK, little whitish gray, like it's smoky color, off-white color zippers. And you get a Supreme tag in the, oh geez. I don't want to rip it out or anything. But you get the Supreme tag inside here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Try and get the angle. I don't know if you'll be able to. And it's made in Cambodia. So that's pretty good too. Don't want to break the bottle already. That I like to see different origins of where they make stuff. And then there's just like a little mesh pouch in the bag. That's the only like really separation organizer. Yeah, that's pretty much sums up the bag. 2 zippers on the pocket, Cordura tag, Supreme box logo, 2 little fasteners, strap for the water bottle. Dope. Alright, the video's still going. Perfect. Next, put that aside. I'll do a little preview at the end. If you stay tuned till the end, you will see the preview of the items for what they look like, a close-up of in better lighting, better quality, just to see the materials and everything. Cool thing about this shirt, before I get into it, I really like, it's my first Lululemon piece. It's like on the wrist it says look inside. And then this one says find your focus. Little cool like little embroideries. I love that. I love embroideries. That's why I like there's little like motivational texts. And then this one says like find your focus. And then is there one on the back? Yeah, there's a thread. It says live in practice, which I love because like I'm practicing music right now, practicing everything. So it's like my some of my mottos. Like it was like some of my mantras. It was kind of like meant to be. You know what I mean? Love that. Tie-dye, my favorite. Nice like sportswear. Lululemon. Yeah, definitely recommend this. It's like some special like air. I forget the name of it. If anyone wants to know what it is, I can get the name of it for you, but it's one of their unique technologies. Okay. So, forgot to show the packaging. Just a classic plastic bag, the label on there. Washed Twill 6-panel, SS22, H117 in blue colorway, one size. So, I saw this like this catalog release when StockX posted it, and then I was like, damn, I really wanted the purple hat, but it was sold out. This one was still in stock, so I was like, you know what? It's been a long time. It's been like at least 5 years, maybe more. Around 5 years now since I've done a Supreme order. So, decided it was about time. So we got the Supreme embroidery on the front, love embroidery, with this like denim blue wash hat, with the other Supreme embroidery on the back, just in the normal font. Ooh, my wrist, ow. I love the color of this. I wish it was more blue on the wash, but it's all good. I'm still gonna try and get the purple one, so I'll let you guys know if I come through with that. I'll post it. A quick preview of it. Ooh. Yeah, I really do also want the purple one. Here's the inside of the hat. Very nice. Got a little metal top. I don't know what you'd call that to keep, so it's it'll be lasting. You gotta love that. Air holes throughout the top. Oh, I thought they were like sealed. I was like, what the hell? But you got the air holes throughout the top, and then yeah, your classic 6-panel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll have to tighten it and stuff. I don't know how it looks, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, support the channel. Let me know what you think, and the previews at the end. So yeah, watch that if you like. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. See you next time on the next time I spend some money. Peace.
Today's agenda, a nation exterminating the pious. Pray that you never die, don't dare to be deemed the highest. I write inspired by liars, righteous as my suppliers. They wonder what my supply is. Nigga, where them beats? Fuck a feature, my ether is equal to each of your own. Embody the balance of the world on my shoulders alone. But God bless America, my G's go hard. G's make dreams and these grands make gods. I am so compelled, might as well proceed another step. Never took a L, still fresh without the double X. Ransom, artificial anthems. Ladies say he handsome, these niggas throwing tantrums. Tripping to existence is often labeled as miscreants, cause we position it different. We're hard to make sense of it, record labels making sense. We sensitive, now we acting senseless. Fuck you, architect for president.
I'm on my free time, leaping in and out of portal shit. You on your prick your finger from a thorn, mere mortal shit. I'm on my evil ledger, I can't get my mind in order shit. Hitler had a bar mitzvah, torturous, slaughter shit. I am really that nigga, call it quits, get off my dick, give a camera the finger. Every time I hear it flick, the code has been cracked and I am the glitch. Do you hear this shit like a rabbit turd? I swing on the track and serve my rhyme schemes and my bars infinite. I hear your shit and get a little narcoleptic. I admit you're kinda boring. I was out touring, stroking kittens with dimples that remind me of Lauren. London on Thursday, Sunday I'm New York. Brooklyn be the birthplace, Kings County caucus, cut the malarkey. You don't want no problems or drama with zombies, get off me. Some may say seeing him's like seeing God. I see through all your transparency, oversee your facade. Dog, I raise your car like the Paytons and them hounds playing poker. I'm Caesar Milan in the background taking notes to poker. Smoke up, hoes on my scrotum. Not an idle niggas always higher on the totem. I go son, haters like hoes, they just wanna blow us with them calicos, bullet holes in my clothes.
My team, supreme, stay clean, lyrical dream, zombie regime. We be that, we at where the weed and LSD at. On since I was born, no such thing as relapse. My team, supreme, stay clean, lyrical dream, zombie regime. We be that, we at where the weed and LSD at. On since I was born, no such thing as relapse.
Thank God for my pay stop, collect my peso. Only thing on my mental, making instrumentals. 40 ounces by the caseloads. Gotta know I love ganja, smell like Fronto. You know I took shorty, keep her legs close. Better move when I say so, never move like a play route. Okay, there you go.
If money be the dream, my nigga stay lucid. If pussy be your hustle, mommy keep that thing juicy. But Vegas was built off the money of losers. For paper, I shoot marvelous. Stanley Cooper, Benjamin Franklin, my guardian angel. If I see Jesus, I'm taking his halo. So walk upon it and make a few pesos. He who you starve, your team will be stable. Pass me the OE, pass me a tab, pass me a blend, I won't pass that shit back. Pass me a gap and a ski mask. I click, clack, press attack, give me that gas. Those Diddy checkbook and I sign an autograph for 10 mega lemons and I know limit say. This is World War III, is you ready? My wallet gon' buzz, never snooze good.
Wake up, thank God for my pay stop, collect my peso. Only thing on my mental, making instrumentals. 40 ounces by the caseloads. Gotta know I love ganja, smell like Fronto. You know I took shorty, keep her legs close. Better move when I say so, never move like a play route. Okay, there you go. This alone got me turned up plenty. Wanna be the shit, but the world won't let me. Pay my jack, then 20 minutes I'ma hit you back. Count a stack, money made. Everyday niggas with paying ransom now, but only real niggas taking chances, yo. No longer 16s are free. I freestyle to appease the peace, and you can freestyle, but you need some beats. My performance hell of a rich rewarding, and I can't compete with niggas that's not on it. Hey, good lord, boy, gotta get a new crew. Looking real confused, dog. I don't wanna lose you. No woman want a nigga with no money. I'm all in it while she laying on her tummy. Now I'm gon' bust, now I'm gon' bust. My vision is this and this music, my drug. Wake up, thank God for my pay stop, collect my peso. Only thing on my mental, making instrumentals. 40 ounces by the caseloads. Gotta know I love ganja, smell like Fronto. You know I took shorty, keep her legs close. Better move when I say so, never move like a play route. Okay, there you go.
Know what you in for, young guys in your tempo. Pull up with the squad, what's the word, ho? Plotting on the bird with the Fibonacci curse, though I'm Stefan, you Urko, a snake to a jerk, whoa, whoa, whoa. Person need a person, make a nigga get an urge, be the day you be deserved. Puffing on some herbs, now I'm one with the earth, Top Gun, Tom Cruise, watch a nigga go berserk, Build the proper split, heighten consciousness, don't be counterfeit. Use your mind a bit, word of the wise, but I still will pop for chips. Surf on this tide, we the truth, we got your kids. Don't Gemini type flows like a tide light strokes on your wife, still enough to make her cry.
decide we will chose, so let's ride. Keep the smoke blowing high, rub the toast till I die.
Wake up, I thank God for my pay stop, collect my peso.